On 28th of December, District Legal Services Authority Karbi Anglong, in collaboration with Khatkati VDP Police Station Committee and Yuva Sanstha NGO, jointly organized one-day awareness program on drugs abuse prevention at Lahorijan Inspection Bungalow Complex. The program was chaired by Dhiraj Chetri, SDB, and the objective of the program was briefed by Vijaya Khaklari. Dr. Amol Bhisia attended as the chief guest of the event. Pradeep Timung, social activist, Suren Singh, President Khatkati PS VDP, Manik Singh, Secretary, Rajiv Bora, SI Khatkati Police Station, and Kasep Pol, advocate, attended as a guest of the event. Rigorously discussing among the guests and participants were made with regards to make an end of drug smuggling along Karbi Anglong and Nagaland border area, with special reference to Lahorijan and Khatkati areas. It was informed that the concerned citizens of those areas are finding difficulties in monitoring unidentified individuals in the regions as it is close to the state of Nagaland. The citizens adopted a resolution to make an end to the peddling of drugs from the area at any cost. If anyone is caught while doing, stern action would be taken as per the law. Anantirang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live.